Welcome to World NG channel. Sugar production in a factory follows a series of complex steps, from raw material processing to refining. Let's delve into a minute overview of how sugar is typically made. Receiving and unloading of raw materials. The process begins with the arrival of raw materials, which for most sugar is either sugarcane or sugar beets. These are delivered to the sugar factory where they are unloaded and prepared for processing. Sugarcane arrives in long stalks, while sugar beets are typically clumped with soil and require thorough cleaning. Washing and preparation. Sugar beets are washed to remove soil and stones. Sugarcane is shredded into smaller pieces to facilitate juice extraction. This preparation is aimed at ensuring that the extraction process is as efficient as possible while protecting the machinery from damage by foreign objects. Juice extraction. For sugarcane, the shredded pieces are passed through rollers to extract the juice. Sugar beets are sliced into thin strips called cossettes and then put through a diffuser to extract the sugar-rich juice. The rollers or diffusers crush the raw material under high pressure, squeezing out the sweet liquid while leaving behind a fibrous material known as bagasse in sugarcane, or pulp in sugar beets. Clarification. The extracted juice is usually a dark green or brown color and contains impurities. To purify it, lime and heat are applied which precipitates out impurities. The juice is then passed through a clarifier which allows the clear juice to be separated from the sediment. The result is a clear, lightly colored liquid that contains mostly water and sugar. Evaporation. The clarified juice contains a lot of water, which needs to be evaporated to concentrate the sugar. This is achieved through a series of evaporators that boil off the water under vacuum to reduce the boiling temperature and save energy. A thick syrup called mass acute is produced, which contains crystallizable sugar. Crystallization. The mass acute is then moved to crystallizers where it is cooled and seeded with sugar crystals, which help to initiate the formation of new sugar crystals as the solution becomes supersaturated. Through a controlled cooling process, sugar crystals form and grow to the desired size. Centrifugation. After crystallization, the mixture still contains a lot of syrup. To separate the sugar crystals from this mother liquor, the mixture is spun in centrifuges. These machines spin at high velocities, forcing the liquid to the outer edge while the sugar crystals are retained within the screen of the centrifuge. The raw sugar is washed with water to aid in the separation process. Drying, cooling, and packaging. The wet sugar crystals then need to be dried. They are sent through a series of hot air dryers to remove any remaining moisture. The dried sugar is then cooled before being sieved to classify the crystals by size. Finally, the sugar is packed into bags or sent to silos for bulk storage. This sugar as produced in the factory is considered raw sugar, which can be further refined into white sugar if needed. The refining process involves redissolving the sugar, filtering it, and using activated carbon or bone char for additional decolorization followed by recrystallization to produce the sparkling white granules most people are familiar with. Throughout these steps, great care is taken to maintain hygiene and efficiency. Moreover, sugar factories often function with an eye toward sustainability, using the byproducts in various ways. Bagasse and pulp can serve as fuel to generate electricity for the plant or can be processed into animal feed or even paper. And that wraps up a brief journey through a sugar factory. Each step is crucial to producing the sweet, crystallized sugar that is a staple in culinary use around the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.